Hello everybody, today I'm going to talk about, once again, transferring from the guitar to playing bass. And let me talk about a little bit of theory. This instrument here, you can use a lot of music theory. You can, of course, on the guitar and piano as well. On bass, you definitely think of a lot of the foundations and fundamentals of music theory as well. So let's just take G. G's a nice key. And if you can play the G major scale, you could do a lot of moving around with that. So you can play the root, the third, the fifth. Of course, you heard that a lot. You could do kind of a little bit of walk. And you can come up with a lot of different kind of varieties with that as well. Typically on guitar, of course, we learn the pentatonic scale. And it can work on the bass. However, when you're moving from one chord to another, and especially if it's in a key, if I'm going from a G to a C, I can kind of walk. You can kind of walk around. And I kind of got that, when I used to play country music, to kind of do that walking bass line on the guitar as well. So if you know your scales, you know your major scale, get by. And of course, if you know your minor scale, you can play in minor, of course, as well. So, and of course, one thing also is that the root, fifth, root, octave are real common. So you can do a lot with this, the root, fifth. And if you throw the third in there, you can do a lot. If you throw the minor third in there, you can do a lot. So that gets your minor chord, gets your major chords, and most of the time, that's all you need. Of course, if you do jazz, there's diminished chords, there are augmented chords. There's a lot of different extensions of chords going on as well. But at first, if you don't know what to play, just play the root. Just play the root and you're going to be fine on that. And as time goes on, you'll get more experience and you can figure out some cooler bass lines and whatnot. So, as always, rock and roll, of course, at Dev's Computer. If you like this type of content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really helps out a great deal. Thanks so much. Computed.